Hi everyone, Itai from דיטיילינג here. I'm a detailer based in Israel. MJJC contacted me and asked me would I be so kind and review their new foam cannon, the Foam Cannon Pro. Of course, I said yes. So let's see what we got. So there you have it. This is the new foam cannon from MJJC. This is the Pro series, of course. Let's see what we have inside the box. Nice packaging, how to use, and of course videos on the website that you can watch and learn how to use it. What do we have more? What's new about this kind of generation? That's nice. Warnings, storage. All right, let's jump in and see what's inside the box. Nice packaging. All right, so first of all, operating instructions. We have the fitting, the quick fitting. All right, we have this one, small tube to suck in all the foam from inside. Okay, actual cannon itself with the knob to adjust how much foam you want or don't want. Nice. And oh, we have more. That's it. MJJC Foam Cannon Pro, the new version. Let's start setting it up. Let's see. Instructions, operating instructions. What do we have here? So you have the exact manual of how to set it up, how to use it properly. It's all here. Just read it before you use it. One important thing, you can get adapters for other pressure washers if you have. So if you have Kärcher, MJJC also have adapters for Kärcher and other brands of power washers. Let's see how it all goes together. Of course, this one goes right here. All right, so tube is connected. You have a ball that keeps it all the time down. I think maybe I don't know the previous version. This is a very nice thing. So you can suck up all the foam, for all the liquid from inside this bottle here. This is nice. And of course, the structure is built so you can put it on the table and it's stable. Unlike other foam cannons that you have that are very narrow and keep falling all the time, this one will stay on the table so you don't have to hold it. Quick connector. So at this point, I think it's best to have some Teflon. And I guess this is the fitting. Why do we need this one for? Let's see. Nozzle. And yeah, it's supposed to go here. This one is a spare one. You already have one installed inside. And this one comes with the box, it's a spare one. By the way, it's stated on it. Spare part. All right. Now we got to fit it out and let's screw it on. Nice and tight. Yeah. Okay. So ready to use. Let's start and go and wash the car. So, how to use the foam cannon. In any foam cannon, First thing you need to do is fill it up with water. You don't want to fill it up all the way up, but you want to leave some room for the foam liquid, for the soap itself. I filled it up almost half or a little bit above half level. I'm gonna take my favorite foam. You can use also regular soap, regular car wash soap, but it will foam the best with a dedicated foam liquid. So the instructions with most foam products is to use it 1 to 10, which means if this one has a liter that you can fill in, I have to put 100 milliliter of foam inside. I have my measuring cup, and now I can fill it. That's it. A little bit more. Right. And put the foam's soap inside. Fill up the rest with water till the top mark. You don't fill it all the way up, just fill it. Yeah, that's enough. And close it, of course. Close it tight, that's it. Now on the foam itself, you have a knob to control how much foam will go up compared to water. So you can play with the thickness of the foam itself and the angle of the spray. So it's either very wide or very narrow angle of spraying out of the nozzle. So before using the foam cannon, you would like to rinse down the car, get all the dust, the dirt away from the car. Of course, you rinse it top to bottom with water, with the pressure washer, and now it's ready to be foamed. You want to foam the car because you want to break down all the dirt that stays on the car after you rinsed it. If you use a foam cannon with a proper solution, foaming solution, you will break down more dirt and eventually you will get a cleaner car once you come to a stage of contact wash with the wash pad and a dedicated soap to wash the car. Less dirt, less swirls, less scratches on the paint of the car. Okay, so let's start foaming down the car. This is the new MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. Let's see how it works. Wow, this is very nice thick foam. Of course, you can play with the nozzle here and make it wider or more narrow. Very, very thick foam. Works very nice. Of course, I'm using now the maximum soap, maximum foam that I can get out. There's a knob here so you can control it. Yeah, really plays a difference. So after we foam the car, we let the foam stay for a few minutes, break down all the dirt that we have stuck on the car, and after it breaks down, we wash it, rinse it down with water and the pressure washer, of course. So after we gave the foam enough time to work on the car, let's start rinsing it down. So we're coming to the end of the video. What do I think about this product? I've been using a similar foam gun made by a different company for more than a year. MJJC definitely surprised me with a very solid product. The product is doing very well. It's been with me for a few weeks now. Foam that it's producing is better than what I'm using so far in my shop for the last year or so. And I'm gonna have to check back in a few months to see how it's holding up. But so far, if you're looking for a decent foam cannon, this is the product for you. Thank you guys for watching the review, the video. Hope you liked it. You're more than welcome to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I'm uploading a new video. More videos in English will come along. Hope to see you in the next videos.